We're drawing a sleepy hedgehog in a flower pot. Start with 2 sleepy eyelids, just soft, curved lines. Add a little oval nose. Then a tiny W smile under it. Finish with 2 blush lines on each cheek. Aww. Now draw the fluffy face outline. Use little bumpy curves like soft fur. Then add 1 paw peeking up with 3 cute toes. Pop in a rounded ear on top. And then give them spiky bangs. Use short pointy zigzags across the forehead. Keep that zigzag going to build the big spiky back. Think soft triangles, sharp enough to read as spikes, but still cuddly. Time for accessories! Draw a simple daisy on the head circle center. Then petals. Add the other ear behind it, and finish the left side of the fluffy face. Now give them the second paw resting in front. Same shape, same 3 little toes. Symmetry, but make it cozy. Add small curved strokes inside the spikes. Just little marks to show texture. Don't overthink it. We're drawing cute, not porcupine math. Let's tuck our hedgehog into a pot. Draw a big rounded oval rim around them. Add a second line for thickness. Then sprinkle little dots and bumps for soil. From the rim, pull 2 lines down to form the pot body slightly curved, like it's wide and sturdy. Close it with a soft curve at the bottom. Last touch. Draw a little flower on the pot center circle, petals, a tiny stem, and 2 leaves. and boom! Look at that! I love how this turned out. If you had fun, smash that like button and subscribe for more drawings. See you next time!